Here's a rule in online shopping. Never buy products without reviews.
But today, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Alright, good day everybody. So alam niyo naman yung mga rule. I'm sure familiar kayo dito. Do not buy products without review. Pero you might think, Sam, di kung may bagong product, dapat meron ding bagong bibili. There is always and will always be this one person who will buy that product. Pwede natin siyang tawagin bayani. Okay? Kasi bibilhin niya yung product na walang assurance na product talaga yon at hindi some sort of illegal thing. And he's doing that for our own good. He's taking all the risk so that we, future buyers, will have the opportunity to have the peace of mind as we purchase this specific item. Gets nyo? So let's call reviewer number 1. Let's name him Bayani. And this is exactly what I did nitong 7-7. So bumili ako ng mic. Sa dami ng mic sa Shopee, inisip ko, why not try this one out? And disclaimer lang, so you guys know, if you guys are new to the channel, hindi ako unboxing channel. Hindi din ako audio person. Anong tawag doon? Audio man. Wala akong alam masyado sa mga mic, audio, and stuff. But, you know, pag mag-scroll down kayo sa YouTube, makikita nyo ako pa lang yung mag-review nitong mic na to. You can call me Bayani now kasi ako pa lang yung mag-review nitong product na to. Yeah, sure, kung titignan nyo yung product page, merong ibang reviews doon. Pero, hindi mo naman maiintindihan yung value ng mic na written lang. Kailangan mong pakinggan eh. Kailangan mong pagmasdan na mabuti ang reviews ng microphone. Ano yung type mo dun? Okay siya bro, tugs. Hindi pwede yun. For the future buyers out there of this specific model, Fifine F4 2021, boys and girls, I got you. And I promise I will try to deliver the most authentic, logical, knowledgeable review you guys will ever hear. Speaking of which, may nag-doorbell.
Ano kaya yun? Hey, would you look at that?
Okay guys, it's here. Ito na, the transition to an unboxing channel. Alright.
Before we start this part, I just want to warn you guys na pangit yung audio nung camera ko dito kasi ang layo niya from me. Pero let's just say part siya nung comparison. Alright, back to the video.
Now, look at this mess. Napakagulo. We'll be unboxing this and I'll be reviewing this again guys. Not an unboxing channel. Oh my gosh. You know, as with any online shopping experience nowadays, we need some alcohol. Oh my gosh, it's happening. Alcohol again. So here we go. It's the Fifine F4 microphone. Chinek ko yung website nila, wala to. So it's either it's really new, unreleased, cancelled product, or it's fake. I'll go with the first one. It's really new, kaya wala sa website. How do we open this? That's the first question. Okay, may tape siya dito. It has 2 tapes. Alam mo yung mga bilog na tape? That's when you know it's real. So here it is. Can you see? Very good. And then it has this foam. So here's the mic. Kita nyo ba? Okay, so here's a box. I think this is the tripod. Here's the tripod. Medyo sturdy siya. This one's plastic. This one's metal. Plastic yung thread niya dito. And here's a pretty long USB cable. It has a Fifine logo. Makeup channel real quick. Tapos may takip pa siya. Ayan, wala na siyang takip. Tinanggal ko. And it's a USB type B. So here's the mic itself. So as you can see, it has this adjustable thingy. And then may mute button siya. Pero hindi siya napapress. So I guess capacitive siya. Capacitive button. Panis. Wala siya yung adapter if you guys want to connect it to a scissor mount. So kung bibili kayo ng scissor mount, make sure na meron siya ng adapter, yung scissor mount, kasi ito wala. So this one's metal yung grill. Pero this thing, yung adapter niya is plastic. Hindi ko siya mapantay. Okay, ayan. I think I got it. So medyo mahirap isuot yung tripod. Ang hirap niya ipantay. Pero, yeah. So here's the mic itself. Let's do a bit of testing here. We'll be testing on 4 devices. Unahin natin yung camera mic. So, hello, I'm testing this on the camera mic. And then, ite-testing ko din sa cellphone mic. So, hello, this is my cellphone mic. And then, ite-testing din natin sa laptop mic. Okay, so, ito yung laptop mic. I know, it's pretty bad kasi it's a laptop mic. What do you expect? Ano ba pwede kong basahin na consistent? Para consistent. Walang bias tong ginagawa natin. Basahin natin yung warranty part. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware products defect in material and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. So that's the laptop mic. Now let's try the headphone. I think this is the headphone mic. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. Woo! Now we'll be testing yung mic itself. So look at this. May green light siya. Tap that. Naging red. Okay, naging red. First time ko siya actually try. So, capacitive touch. You guys can see, may knob din siya. So, let's try adjusting that knob. For testing sake, let's try it at 50%. I think that's a good number. And since maybe wala tayong scissor mount as we try this out, ganito siya kalayo from me. Try it again. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. Amazing stuff. So I don't know, hindi ko pa siya napapakinggan, pero I think suggested na medyo malapit yung mics. I'll try it again, tas bababaan ko yung ating gain. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. I don't know again how that sounds. Okay guys, for unbiased opinions, I will be talking with my friend Patrick, who is now in Discord. So you guys will be joining us. Saan kayo nakita ng mic review na may Discord? Wala. Ito lang. Hello Patrick. So you are now being recorded and interrogated.
Yes.
I just want to ask, what do you think of the quality of the mic?
Well, I think it's nice, you know. Actually, mas gumanda siya. Kailangan ba mag-i-English ako para sa...
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay.
Tagalog to mga to. Gusto mo ba kumanta ako? O hindi na?
Oh, sure, sige.
Sige.
Why
Anong
not?
song? Anong song gusto mo?
I Wanna Dance With Somebody by Whitney Houston. I only wanna be with somebody. Somebody.
I wanna dance with somebody.
Okay. Okay.
I want
it's-
you to keep somebody.
Yeah, it's good.
Dance with
Okay
somebody.
na.
With
Good.
somebody
Okay na,
who
okay na.
loves me.
O, diba? It's good.
Wow. Okay, balik ako in a while.
Okay, maya din ako class ako eh.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay, you heard it from the man himself. It was pretty good, sabi niya. Alright, so I've been using this mic for a while now. And overall, I think it's pretty good. Yung build quality niya, superb. Well, hindi naman superb. But for the price, superb. Especially yung capacitive button niya. Sorry kung tumutulo yung pawis ko, naka-off yung electric fan so that the audio quality is crispy. And also, yung bass niya, feeling ko sobrang ganda ng boses ko dito. Pero if you guys know me in real life, baka ganun naman talaga boses ko, di ba? Napaka-pogi. Joke lang. Yung highs and treble, yung middle, okay na okay siya. Kung di nyo pa nakahalata, hindi ko alam yung sinasabi ko since, again, as I said a while ago, audio man. Pero as you guys can see, meron na akong scissor mount dito. Etong tatlong to, itong scissor mount, pop filter, and shock mount, I got it for 300 pesos. Yung tatlo na. So, if you guys are gonna get this mic, I suggest getting this bundle as well. Feeling ko mas maganda talaga siya if mas mababa, around 25% yung knob mo, and then malapit siya sa bibig. And it helps din sa pag-zone out nung background noise. Ngayon may nagkakaraoke. And I don't think you guys are hearing it. Also, if may mga kumakahol na aso, konti lang yung pickup niya doon. So overall, I'm really satisfied with the quality of this mic. I'm sure that you guys will be happy as well if you get this. Highly suggested, 5 stars for the price range. But I really want to remind you guys na hindi to unboxing channel. Napagtripan ko lang gawin to. But if you guys really enjoyed this review, why don't you like, comment, and subscribe and get a peek sa day-to-day life ko. Pero kung titignan nyo yung channel ko, medyo matagal na yung last upload ko. That's because naiinitan na talaga ako. That's because I'm a struggling college student. Napakahirap mag-aral. So I would really appreciate if you guys would subscribe. And I hope to see you guys with me sa following weeks natin. Alright? Tumulo na yung pawis ko. Grabe. Guys, sorry. Mag-electric pan na ako. Ayan, nag-fan na ako. I hope to see you guys again on my next video. Stay safe, everybody. God bless.